This final project title is CHEFAI. Reason being, we created an application which helps the users to plan their meal on a weekly basis rather than they choose themselves, which is tedious. And we used recommender model and optimization model, and as well included or took micronutrient like sodium into consideration, which make this stood out compared to what's out there in the market. And for this, we used recipe data set, which is around 500,000 rows. We dissected that into recipe table with recipe ID as a row identifier and user table, which gets populated with user information when they log in. These two are the inputs for the UI. Then UI will spits out the recipes or meal selections for the user based on the optimization model. Then that will be taken into recommended model, and we will have a recommender score assigned to each user ID and recipe ID row. Then when user comes back into the UI again, they will be having choices fit out from the optimization model based on this recommender score. For this, we used count vectorizer and the cosine similarity to make a similar recommendation score, typically like Netflix, how they do. And also the optimizer model, we used maximize function from the Gurobi package, where it increases or the, make sure the recommender score is high for the selection of the specific meal. And as you can see, the approach is the data set is taken, sent into optimization model for the meal selection. Then the data is taken into recommender model for the user history and selection to get a recommender score. And then for the next time when user comes in, it will be used for that. And for experiments and results, as you can see, the graph to the right side, the recent selection will be given very less score, and likewise. And also for the time to run, we choose Gurobi because it has best performance compared to Pulp, the other thing that's available. And this is to the left is the output screen of our app, which has meal selections that user can choose, drag and drop into these respective days, for which they'll get the grocery list and as well as the metrics for the user selection. So also user can input like age, height, weight to get and pass into the optimization model for the better results. So this is basically the overall idea of the application that we built. Thank you very much.